So today we've driven up the mountain, some pretty steep roads, to the Tenorio Volcano National Park. There's a $20 US admission fee, and parking is here as well. Washrooms, all good. We're going to go flying down this trail. It's about 3 kilometers in and 3 kilometers back to the Rio Celeste waterfall.
Yes. More steps coming up.
Yeah, no kidding. See you at the end. We're praying for no bugs because I forgot to put on insect repellent. But you know what? We haven't had any problem with insects of any kind the whole time. So we're long overdue.
Fingers crossed.
So far the path is pretty easy. This is concrete. Did you bring a rain poncho?
It's not my first time in the jungle. Of course I did.
Last time Joyce said, boy, you never know. A few seconds later, we could have a wild boar jump out. What happened?
Well, it sure looked like a wild boar. And they said everybody is supposed to be quiet and don't make any sounds. And I made a loud screaming sound, unfortunately.
We should talk about footwear. This would not be a good spot for flip-flops.
Nope.
So sturdy footwear would be a good plan on this hike. Oh, perfect. It's only 150 meters from here.
Let's go. Big steps, too.
Big steps.
That makes it hard on you.
Yeah. Ooh, steep stairs, eh?
Yeah, but they're not like nice like the others here. Keep going, John.
Okay. Say when. After enjoying the gorgeous Rio Celeste blue water, we headed back up the many steps in the hot, humid weather. Along the way, we encountered this small, well-camouflaged snake. What was it?
Bocaraca.
Bocaraca.
It's a pit viper.
Pit viper.
Pit viper.
Okay.
A good reminder to stay on the main pathway. And we made it back to the parking lot, just a little bit sweaty. Joy's all sweaty, so she doesn't want to be in the closing. See?
Oh, okay.
All right.
Done. That was fun.
That was fun.
Yeah.
A lot of steps.
Quite a few.
Yeah, but
Did you count them?
there were 4. But they were very, very high.
That was fun and beautiful water. Beautiful turquoise water.
Yeah, incredible. Yeah. Anything else?
I think that's all.
I think that's it. Yeah, we're ready to get on
Yeah.
to the next adventure.
All right.